Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, and I'm answering this question submitted by a student. It's kind of a somewhat nasty word problem because it involves three variables and three equations. Remember that in order to solve the system of equations, the number of equations has to equal the number of variables. So we have three variables here. We have stocks, bonds, and CDs. And altogether, first sentence, that's stocks, and then bonds, and then CDs. And altogether, these three things add up to $180,000. So that's the first sentence. And then the second sentence tells us how much each investment pays out. And the total number from the payouts is 10,040. See, this is the sentence down here. So we're going to take 5.5% of CDs. Let's start with the stocks. Stocks is 10.5%, so that's 0.105 times stocks. Plus the bonds are paying 2.4 bonds. Plus the CDs are paying 5.5. Okay. And the total amount of interest that they're earning is 10,420. Okay. And then the last thing they say, they invested 4,000 more in bonds than in CDs. So bonds are equal to CDs plus 4,000. So they put more money in bonds than they did in CDs. That's interesting because the bonds pay a lot less. They pay about half as much as the CDs, but whatever. Okay. So now we have to solve this system here. And so what we want to do basically is start with this equation, and we're going to eliminate the b. So everywhere we see b, we'll replace it with this. So it's going to have, from the first equation, it's going to be s plus c plus 4,000 plus c equals 180,000. And on the second equation, 0.105 times s plus 0.024 times c plus 4,000 plus 0.055 c equals 10,420. Okay, so now we just have to clean this up, combine like terms and so on. So this is going to be, this first, I'm going to continue up here. So the first equation would be written, this equation here would be s plus 2c. And I'm going to bring over that 4,000 from 180, so it's 176,000. So that's the first equation. And now the second equation, I have to work on this a little bit. We have to distribute that 0.024, so 0.105s plus 0.024C plus 4,000 times 0.024 is 96 plus 0.055C is equal to 10,420. We're going to combine like terms. I have a S here, 0.105S. On the C's, I have 0.024 plus 0.055. That's giving me 0.079. And then here on the constants, I've got a 96. Right? That's all. Okay, so now I'm going to write this equation right up here. So 0.105S plus 0.079C is equal to 10,420 minus 96. So that gives me 10,324. Okay. So I'm going to do one more substitution here. From the top equation, I'll just change colors so you can see this easily. S is going to be equal to 176,000 minus 2C. So I'm going to pop that into this equation down here in black. So I'm going to have 0.105 times 176,000 minus 2C plus 0.079. C equals 10,324. Okay, now all you would do here is you just distribute the 0.105. So let's do that. Times 176, 123. That's 18,480 minus 0.105 times 2, 0.21 plus 0.079. C is equal to 10,324. Let's bring over the constant. So it's 10,324 minus 18,480. This gives me a negative 81.56. And now I'm going to combine these C terms, 0.79 minus, what is that? I can't even read my own writing. I think it's a 0.21. It's 0.21, 0.58C. And so C is going to be this thing, 81.56 divided by 0.58. It's going to be 14,062. So that's kind of a weird thing. You could invest that amount in CDs, but it's kind of an odd number, so I suspect I might have made a mistake somewhere along the way. Once you have C, you can use this green equation to find S, and once you have C and S, you can use this equation up here to find B. So I showed you how to set it up. I took you through most of the grinding here, grinding all the way down to getting an answer. There might be an arithmetic or calculator mistake along the way. I'm not sure. And that's the way to solve this one. Okay, that's it for that. That's all I'm going to cover for this question. You guys can work your way through it. For those who care, you can work your way through it and double check. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.